श्री तुळजा भवानी कॉम्प्लेक्स 1 BHK 2 BHK अँड शॉप. प्रोजेक्ट बाय श्री तुळजा भवानी डेव्हलपर्स. चालत फक्त 5 मिनिटांच्या अंतरावर मालवण भरड नाका. चालत फक्त 5 मिनिटांच्या अंतरावर मालवण मच्छी मार्केट. चालत फक्त 5 मिनिटांच्या अंतरावर मालवण बाजार. चालत फक्त 8 मिनिटांच्या अंतरावर मालवण जेटी धक्का बंदर. चालत फक्त 10 मिनिटांच्या अंतरावर मालवण बस स्थानक. गवंडीवाडा अपोजिट आशा पार्क नियर भरड नाका मालवण सिंधुदुर्ग. आपल्या स्वप्नातील घर प्रत्यक्षात. कॉन्टॅक्ट डिटेल्स फॉर बुकिंग 9773 71 27 27 9404 15 53 77 9969 16 05 16 9404 44 86 27. अभिमानास्पद बातमी. ऐतिहासिक सिंधुदुर्ग किल्ला आता टपाल पाकिटावर झळकणार आहे. भारतीय डाक विभागाच्या वतीनं या विशेष टपाल पाकिटाचं अनावरण मालवणात झालं. दरवर्षी डाक विभागामार्फत देशातील विशेष महत्त्व असलेल्या ऐतिहासिक वास्तू, संस्था, निवडक उत्पादनं, सांस्कृतिक वारसा यांचं विशेष टपाल पाकिटाच्या रूपानं प्रकाशित करून सन्मानित करण्यात येतं. या अनुषंगानं सिंधुदुर्ग डाक विभागानं सिंधुदुर्ग किल्ल्याचं ऐतिहासिक महत्त्व लक्षात घेऊन त्याबाबत विशेष टपाल पाकिट प्रकाशित करण्याबाबतचा प्रस्ताव वरिष्ठ कार्यालयाकडे मंजुरीसाठी घेण्यात आला होता. हा प्रस्ताव त्वरित मंजूर करण्यात आला. रविवारी 9 जूनला मालवण प्रधान डाकघर इथं चीफ पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल महाराष्ट्र सर्कल किशन कुमार शर्मा यांच्या हस्ते सिंधुदुर्ग किल्ला या विशेष टपाल पाकिटाचं अनावरण झालं. यावेळी पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल गोवा रिजन RK जायभाये, पोस्ट मास्टर जनरल महाराष्ट्र सर्कल अमिताभ सिंग, डाक निदेशक मुख्यालय महाराष्ट्र सर्कल अभिजित बनसोडे, डाक निदेशक गोवा रिजन रमेश पाटील यांसह बहुसंख्य टपाल अधिकारी कर्मचारी उपस्थित होते.
ये बेगुनाह देर है, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा आज एक मौका है जब पूरे सर्कल के यहाँ पे ऑफिसर्स बैठे हैं और आप सब लोग रविवार के दिन यहाँ पर उपस्थित हुए हैं. तो मैं थोड़ा सा इसके बारे में जानकारी ले रहा था. तो ये आज शायद करीब 160 साल नहीं 360 years we are in that year when this fort was started construction. And an architect from Goa, from Portuguese, has come to help in building this fort. And this fort was that coastline from the Marathas, which is to take care against the invasions or the war from all the foreign powers like French, Dutch, Portuguese, British, and one more very important, the Jajira Fort, the Siddhis. So this was like that kind of a very strategic and so this is good to remember. So I feel the special cover on this fort is giving us that occasion to remember and commemorate that valor and bravery which I set up by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was started, and still we feel really good and attached to that feeling which has started during that time. On the sidelines, I want to say that it's an occasion where I think some few years back there was some meeting happened in Marathi. I get to know that around 15 years back. So 15 years after we have come again from the entire circle team, and we are reviewing something which is known for India Post, that is mail review, and there may be some points which needs review in terms of making it good. So I think all of you, most of you, maybe the postal people here. So I feel that this is the occasion where we actually look back and see what best can be done, and the only testimony can come from our customers. If we can show that in the coming few weeks, that they say, oh, the Mumbai mail is getting delivered in Malwan, Sindhudur, Ratnagiri, all this area next day, I think then the visit and the congregation of this group is successful. And I feel that all the officers who have put in good effort in terms of reviewing the entire arrangements and seeing that we are able to reach to the customer in very, very fast, and generally the next day or at the most D+2. That is how it must be looked at, and we must utilize this that brainstorm which is happening in such minute way, in detail, that we are able to look at entire arrangements of this region. And Goa is a gateway for rest of the Maharashtra and rest of the country. So I think Goa is going to be very important going forward. And now we are having more and more airports coming in. I think Sindhudurg also has got an airport now. So all these airports we should start utilizing, look at them, our gateways to connect to the rest of the country. And from that point, these are important occasions to see that we are able to review our things which sometimes may become little out of tune and use this opportunity. So I think thanks to the waste division, which has put everybody onto the kind of a push to come and then see it here. Actually, we are doing a lot of things sitting in our offices, maybe Pune, maybe Goa, maybe Mumbai, but when we come to the ground, then many things come out. And they come out and they share the real details. So I think this occasion is really very, very fruitful. What I gathered from the team, that we are able to pinpoint many things, and all these things should get translated into the faster, efficient, and more accurate delivery of mail and pickup also, the booking also for the India Post. So thank you for this occasion. Thank you for commemorating this occasion of 360 years of setting up of construction of this port. Recently, we have celebrated 350 years of the Shivaji Maharaj coronation in Raigad, and now this is the another occasion. So I think we are using all the right opportunities and occasions to commemorate something which is very near and dear to our heart. So once again, thank you, and all the best for the efforts which are being made here and being done by the team. Thank you.
आमचे दिवसभरातले सर्व अपडेट्स, ताज्या घडामोडी आणि थेट लाईव्ह पाहण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा कोकणचं नंबर 1 महा चॅनल कोकणसाद लाईव्हचं YouTube चॅनल.